Hi, and welcome to Dave's Think Tank. Do you ever get tired of these boring old plain targets? Do you wish maybe you had a Klingon bird of prey to aim at instead? Here's a quick idea how you can jazz up your old pinball machine. The first thing you need is a couple of 1-inch washers with a 1/4-inch hole in the middle. I didn't actually have any, so I cut them out of an old CD case. Then get on your computer and design your own buttons. Print them on glossy paper. We're going to cut these out. I'm going to attach them with double-sided tape, and we'll see how we do. Okay, so here we have our new 300 button and our 500 button. So, on the back, they have this hole in the middle, which will go over the button in the center of the target, and we're going to stick it on the target exactly the same way we stuck it on the washer. We're going to use double-sided tape. Place the double-sided tape on the back of your button and trim the excess. Use an X-Acto knife to slice the tape across the hole so your new target will fit over the button on the old one. Here's my new 300 point button. Slip it on the front. Same thing for the 500. And we're done. I've even got a row of 3 Klingons to the side to shoot at.